Okay, so now we're finished. We're going to start with the AR quiz. So hold on a little bit and I'll get you there. Okay, so here we go with question number 1 for the quiz. Fire truck is not in his garage. School bus and fire truck went to A, is it school? B, is it work? Or C, is it the store? Point to your answer. Correct. The fire truck and the school bus went to work. Fire truck raced to the fire. What happened next? Is it A, fire truck put out the fire? B, fire truck got lost? Or C, tractor came to help fire truck? Correct again. A, fire truck put the fire out. Question number 3. Fire truck went home. What did train say to fire truck? You're so brave. Is it A, you're so brave? B, you worked hard today? Or C, show me how to put out a fire? A, you are so brave. And we're done.